Hi, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Today I'm excited to share an idea I had about using imported SVGs as well as DS SVGs as stamps. On this particular tag, I have imported some lovely images from Sparkle and Sprinkle. I imported all of these as black images, but then changed it to some very light colored images where you can use those images as more of a stamp to add colors and put them in the background. So let's head on over to DS and see how that works. So here we are in Design Space, and in front of us I am looking at the sample of the tag that I made for the Path of Positivity challenge. This digi was imported and left in black with the kitty right here. The watering can and flowers were also imported in black, but then I changed the color to a lighter color and flattened. And I'm going to show you this on another example. So I'm going to go ahead and hide this, stretch out our screen, and pull these elements back over for us to use as an example. So I'm going to demonstrate here how I did this using some free digis from Design Space. So if you have Design Space, you can duplicate this card if you so choose. All I did is I brought in a white square by coming over into Shapes, clicking, choosing the square, and then resizing to 4 by 5 1/4. Then I went into Images and I found this cute little llama who is free. I found this piece. I'm going to go ahead and darken that up so you can see that a little better here. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to copy it. I'll darken that one. There we go. Okay, so I brought him in. Okay, and then also this happy birthday in green. And all of these are free images, so you can go in and pick up any of these and recreate this. Now, I want my black llama to be the focal point of this. So I left him in black, so he is easy to see. I'm going to go ahead and change this to a cut just so you can see the outline there. All right. Now, when I brought this floral wreath in, I basically just came over, brought him in, like so, and decided, okay, I'm going to change the color on that. I can choose any of these colors. I went over to a cream, made it even lighter, as you can see. Okay, that's pretty approximate to what I have, I think. I'm going to bring my llama up to the front. I did that by right-clicking my mouse and hit move to front, and now he's in the front here, and now he's standing in that floral wreath. And then I bring in my happy birthday here, bring that in. Okay, now all I have to do is select all of this, come over here to my right column over here, hit flatten, and it's ready to print. Now, I can go in with Copic markers, or any other markers for that fact, and just color over these flowers and this vine wreath with any color I like, which will give it a pretty little colored effect like I used on the card at the beginning of this video. And I'm going to show it to you again at the end of the video so you can take a look at it. I chose on that card to print the colors that I was going to use. Now on something like this, I would just use a really light beige so that I could come in with some browns and some greens and maybe some pinks or peaches around in here, some corals, whatever colors I would choose to use with my sweet little llama. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to use your digital imports and some of your SVGs as stamps on your work. I think it creates a new option for us who like to use digital elements but also enjoy stamping. So it kind of combines the two. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm always happy to hear from you with suggestions or comments. Anything you want to know about a project I've done, please feel free to ask. I'm more than forthcoming with any information. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.